Hello guys, welcome back. Let's study fractions in page 81, lesson 4 in chapter 4. From this lesson, we'll learn how you can write equivalent fraction and how you can write fraction in simplest form. Let's remind fraction. We studied it also at previous years. For example, we have this whole. We divide it in some parts. One part of them was colored. So that means it's 1 over 4. This 1 over 4. This one is called numerator and this 4 it is denominator. You can write 1 over 4 and it is one whole. We make it 8 parts. 2 parts was color, 2 over 8. The equivalent fractions, that means when you have two fractions or more than two fractions, they are different from number but they have same mean. Look at that. From there we have 1 over 4. It's equal, or you can say it's equivalent for 2 over 8 because look at this part from 1 out of 4, it is equal to 2 out of 4. Example 1 and example 2, they are about how you can write equivalent fraction. For example, we have 2 over 4 equal a number over 12. So look at this 4. This 4, if you make it 12, you must be find the number multiplied with 4 to be 12. This 4 multiplied by 3, it's 12. Numerator also you must be multiplied by same number. This 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. So this 2 will multiply by 3 equal to 6. That means 6 over 12. It's equivalent fraction for 2 over 4. And from there, we have this shade. This from there we have 2 over 4, and it is 6 over 4. Look at there, they are equal. They have different number, but they have same mean. And from example 2, complete 6 over 10 is equal to number over 5. 10, how we can make it 5? You can divide by 2. 10 divide by 2, it's 5. So when you divide denominator, also you must be divide the numerator by same number. 10 divide 2, it's 5. So 6 divide 2, it's 3. 3 over 5, that's equivalent fraction for 6 over 10. When the numerator and denominator of a fraction have no common factor other than when the fraction is simplest form. Look at there, when you have fraction, you will find the common factor between them. If you don't have else one, that means it's a simplest form. Like 9 over 10 is in simplest form because 9 and 10, it's typing mistake. Students make it 10, have no common factors other than 1. And from there we have 9 over 15. It's not simplest form because 9 and 15 have the common. It's 15. Students, please, it's typing mistake. Have the common factor, it's 3. We can divide 9 by 3, we get 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 3 over 5, it's a simplest fraction for the 9 over 15. Example 3, it's about how you can write fraction in simplest form. For example, we have 12 over 13. We'll write factor for 12 and we'll write factor of 30. Factor of 12, they are 1 times 12 and 2, 6 and 3, 4. They are 12. And factor of 30, we have 1 times 30 and 2 times 50, 3 times 10, it's 30, 5 times 6, we don't have else. And which one is common factor between them? We can find the greatest common factor. Okay, students. Also, you can find another common factor. For example, we have 3 will divide by 3. It's 4 over 10. The numerator and also denominator will divide by same number. If you divide by 3, it will be 4 over 10. Also, we have 2. It's common factor between 4 and 10. You can also again divide by 2. 4 divide 2, it's 2, and 10 divide 2, 2 over 5. But from first, you can choose the greatest common factor to divide. Say 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 30 divided by 6 it's 5. So 2 over 5 is simplest form for 12 over 30. Practice page 82. Complete. We have this fraction is, we will write as an equivalent fraction. From number 3, we have 3 over 5. It's equal to number. From there we have space. Over 20. So 5, how we can make it 20? How we can change it to 20? By multiply 4. 5 multiply 4, it's 20. You must be the numerator, the number of over fraction. Also, we multiply by same number. That means we multiply by 4. We get 12. 12 over 20, it's a equivalent fraction. From there, we have 3 over 24 equal number over 8. 24, how we can make it 8? By divide, because 24 to 8, it will be decreases. So by divide you can make it 24 divided by 3, it's 8. So also over number will divide by same number. That means this 3 also will divide by 3. 3 divide 3, it's 1. We get 1 over 8. From there we have 8 over 12, it's equal to number over 6. So 12, how you can make 6 by divide 2. Also this 8 will divide by 2. 8 divide 2, it's 4. From number 6 we have 3 over 4 equal to number over 24. So 4, how you can make it 24 by multiply 6. You must be the numerator also you multiply by 6. 3 times 6 it's 18. 18 over 24 is equivalent fraction for this fraction. From number 7 we have 4 over 8. It is equal to number over 2. 8, how you can make it 2 by divide 4, because 8 divided 4 it's 2. Also it should be this word, we will divide by 4, we get 1. So it's 1 over 2, another equivalent fraction for 4 over 8. And from there we have 9 over 24. This 24, how we can make it 8 by divide 3. So when you divide denominator by any number, you must be also the numerator divide by same number. So 9 divided by 3, it's 3. And from 9 we have 8 over 18. 18, how we can make 36 by multiply 2. Also the numerator will multiply by 2. 8 times 2 is 16. And from there we have 12 over 54. 54, it will be 9. How? By divide 6, because we know that 9 multiplies 6 is 54. So 54 divides 6, it's 9. They are opposite. And we must be also this 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6, it's 2. We get 2 over 9. From number 11, we have 4 and 8. You write all of factor for 4 and 8. From 4, we have 1 times 4, it's 4. And 2 times 2, it's 4. But we write 2 one time. And from 8 we have 1 times 8, it's 8. And 2 times 4, it is 8. We don't have else. 3, it's not a divisibility for 8, so you don't have 3 from factor. So the common factor between them it's 1 and 2 and 4. And from number 12 we have 9 over 24. We'll write all of factor for 9. We have 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Also from 24 we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Let's know which number is common between them. 1 and 3. We have from 9 and 24. So 1 and 3, this common factor between 9 and 24. And 8 over 18, we'll write all of factor for 8 and for 18. From 8, 1 multiply which number it's 8, 1 multiply 8 and 2 multiply 4. We don't have 3. So when you go to the 4, we don't write again. So it is a all of factor for 8. And from 18 we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4. We don't have 4 because it's not divisibility by 4. And also we don't have 5 because the last digit is not 0 or 5. 6 times 3 it is 18, but we wrote it, we don't write again. Let's know which one is common between them. 1 and 2, it's common factor between them. Let's complete practice. Write the fraction in simplest form. It's in page 82. From number 50 we have 5 over 32. You write in simplest form. That means from first step you will write all of factor for 4 and 32, and after that we will find the common between them. We will divide by its common factor. So from there we have 4. 1 times 4 it's 4, and 2 times 2 it's 4. And for 32, 1 times 32 it's 32. 2 times 16 it's 32. And 4 times 8 also it's 32. The common factor creates common factor between them, it's 4. So this fraction will divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 divided 4, it's 1. And 32 divided by 4, it's 8. From number 16, we have 14 over 21. 14, it's made up by 1 times 14 and 2 times 7. 21, it's made up by 1 times 21, 3 times 7. Which one is correct? Common factor between them, it's 7. So this fraction we have the numerator and denominator will divide by same number, the greatest factor. So 40 divided by 7, it's 2. 21 divided by 7, it's 3. 2 over 3, it's simplest fraction for 14 over 21. From number 17, we have 9 over 54. All of factor for 9 is 139. And all of factor for 54 is 1 times 54, 54, and 2 times 27, and 3 times 18, 6 times 9. So the greatest common between them, it is 9. This fraction we have will divide by 9. 9 divide 9, it's 1, and 54 divide 9, it's 6. 1 over 6 is simplest fraction for 9 over 54. From number 19, we have 22 over 8. Let's write factor for 22. We have 1 times 22, it's 22. And 2 times 11, it's 22. 3 we don't have because 22, it's not divisibility for 3, 4, 5, any numbers else. So that's all of factors we have. And for 8, we have 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. That's all of factor for 8. After that, we'll find the greatest common factor, it's 2. So this fraction, the numerator and denominator will divide by 2. 22 divided by 2, it's 11. 8 divided by 2, it's 4. And from number 20, we have 18 over 5. 18, it's made up by 1 times 18 and 2 times 9, 3 times 6. And 5, it's made up just 1 and 5 because 5 it is prime. Prime, it has just two factors, 1 and itself. So from there we don't have common factor between them, else 1. So this fraction, it's a simplest fraction. From number 21, we have 9 over 30. Let's write all of factor for 9. It's 139. And from 30, 1 times 30 and 2 times 15. 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Which one is greatest common between them? 3 is greatest common between them. So this fraction, the numerator and denominator will divide by same number. It's greatest common between them, 3. 9 divide 3 and 30 divide 3. 9 divide 3, it's 3. 30 divide 3, it's 3 over 10. It is a simplest fraction for 9 over 30. That's all we studied about fractions. I hope you get benefit. Good time for you.